Hi, Nick Collier here, and this is my shop. Come join me. We'll have some fun. Well, good morning. Nick Collier here, and we've got another. This is a little project, I hope, because you know how it goes. You say, oh yeah, it's just going to take an hour or so, and it takes 3 days. But I think this one's going to just be pretty quick and simple. We have this little trailer on the property that we rent out, and our last renters, although they were very nice people and we really enjoyed having them here, a couple of things got broken as usual. With once they left, we found that they were broken, and one of the things was the shower in the trailer. You know, it's one of those little lines that come up from the faucet up and hang the shower head, and you get to take the shower head off and spray yourself down if you want, or you can hang it up. Well, the little connector, and here I'm going to show it to you. Let me see if I can bring this in close. The little connector right there broke. Bink. So, and it's got two sets of threads. This little small thread that goes in the shower head, and then of course the larger thread that, well no, the small thread goes in the spigot, and the larger thread connects to the shower head, you know, the hose that goes to the shower head. Now here's the problem. This is a 1970s trailer, and of course nobody makes this part anymore. Oh, huh. So we're going to have to make it. And it has a little check valve in it. Hear it? I don't think we're going to do the check valve thing because, you know, nobody's going to get in that bathtub and take a bath. So we're just going to bypass the spigot and just go straight to the shower. So we'll, you know, plug the spigot up somehow. And I've done this in the past, so, you know, I know this approach. So no check valve. And we're just going to run a straight line straight through to open up in the bottom. And of course, we're not going to make it in plastic. We're going to make it in brass, hopefully. I'm going to look and see if I've got some brass this size, and we'll go from there. We'll be back. Okay, well, after scrounging around for a while, I came up with this piece of brass rod. It's not quite as big as this piece here, but remember, we're not going to put that check valve in. So really, we just want it to be just slightly larger, excuse me, than the threads, right? And it turns out that it is. Let's see how much larger it is than the threads. We're sitting at 800, and we're going to go to 875. So we haven't got a whole lot, but that's, I think, going to be enough to get us what we want. This larger thread is the little plastic hose that goes up to the shower head. So it really doesn't need to bottom out. It doesn't need to be a full tight seal. This thread here needs to be a full tight seal, and you know, it's definitely small enough. So we're going to take that, and where's our other little piece here? We're going to take that. We're going to get ourselves a pen, and let's just cut a section off. And actually, now that I think of it, it doesn't have to be this long. Now that we're just going to do this, I mean, literally, it could go right down to nothing. So let's do that. Let's go down to nothing. All right, let's find. Let's go halfway because we have to have something to grab onto. Okay, so we're just going to go to there. Take it over to the saw and cut it off. Be right back. All right, so here we go. So we want to cut this set of threads right here and then also bore a hole in it. So, and we got to figure out what these threads are. Okay, our thread size is, now if we could just read it. Oh, there it is. 14 threads per inch. And we have a perimeter size of let's see here. We're looking at 810. That's strange. Okay, but 810. And we're sitting here at what? 875. All right, let's turn this down a little bit. This is going to be easy. Okay, we got that part. The length is right here. I'm seeing maybe there. Okay, just a little bit longer. $8.50, so we got 40 more. There's 20. We're down to 25. And what was our measurement? 810? Yes, so we got 15 more thousandths to cut. We're going to do that with the power. 15 more for those 10. Let's give that a try. That brings us down to 20. Now we have 10 more. Just a few more. let's do a chamfer out there on the end. Bring it into 45. There's 45. And so 810 by 14. I'm not seeing one. All right, we're going to have to single point this. Didn't want to, but what else can you do? I think this is 60 degrees here. Let's see what we've got. No, it's shy. Not much shy though. Let's go ahead and trim this back to 60. All right. All right, well, I forgot to film it, but I got the thread started. We're ready to go again. We're coming up on our number any second now, and here we go. Nice. It isn't tight. Well, of course it isn't. Which means, okay, so I think what we're going to have to do here is we're going to just turn it around. We're going to make this the small side, this the big side. All right, so now what we have to do is get this thing turned down again. Okay, we got her tight. We've got our sizing. That's pretty good. Maybe a little bit more, but by the time we get done here, we will have done more. Traveling so slow, this thing is just chewing it up. So we're going to have to come back to normal speed. Which means there we go. Kick it out of gear. Mostly because I don't want to reset this bit up. took a while to get it positioned correctly. Let's see where we're at. We are at 8:15, so just a tad more, and we've got it. And I'm just going to kind of take it real slow and easy. And I'm just doing this by hand because I don't want to reset the threading up. All right, that's 8:15. Now let's slow it back down. There we go. Kick it into gear. Put a little bit of oil on these gears. Now, we're going to come back to 0, and that's not going to be good. Diameter's the same. 810. 810. We seem to have gotten all the way down. All right, so let's just take this and spin it. And we're gonna put it on fast speed here. And where's our little plastic piece here? I'm hoping this is 14 threads per inch also. Yep, that's it. 16 threads per inch. All right, let's reset here. 14, 16. All the way over in the fast thread section, and the right hand move here. Come on. There it goes. Okay. Now this goes all the way down to a 1/2 inch. Geez, we might be able to just run a 1/2 inch tap on there. 16 threads per inch, was that? Yeah. A 1/2 inch die. Okay, 1/2 inch. Well, it turns out I don't have a 1/2 inch die. Can you imagine? All right, that's another thing on the list. So we're gonna have to single point this baby. No big deal. So our perimeter size is, oh, wait, what do we have here? 1/2 inch 20. Well, that's a 1/2 inch fine thread. All right, 1/2 inch 16. Coming up. We're 100,000th away. $60. $530,000. All right, there's 20. Okay, 505. Let's just take a little spring pass here, and I think we'll have it. $500. All right, so let's just leave that where it's at. We're the set here. So let's go back in and set the compound up. Okay, looks good. Okay, now something's not hitting. Oh, yeah. Do a little scratch pass here. Make sure we're at 16. I don't know what the hell that is, but that's not 16. Oh, here it is. Rolling at 16. Okay. Bring that to 0. We're going to take this in 10. Catch it on the number. Let's do a series of 5s. Pretty good looking thread. Bring it out. Bring it back to 0. Let's do a spring cut just for fun. Okay. I think we did it. And I think what we want to do is just drill a hole through the center of this and call it a day. Okay. This bit's not cutting that well. Let's come up with another one. That's better. There we go. Get rid of this sharp edge. Turn it around, get rid of the other sharp edge, and we are done. All right, well, it ain't pretty, there's no doubt about that, but it is functional and it'll get us where we want to go, which is all we are asking for. So, that is the end of that, and we're on to other projects. And, you know, this is Nick Collier checking out for now.